Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can install VMware Tools on Debian version 12. Now let's go ahead and open the terminal. And the first thing we'll need to do is to update the package repositories. So we'll do sudo apt update. We'll put in our password. Once we are done with updating our packages, we can run the command to install Open VMware Tools. So the command is sudo apt install Open VM Tools. And I already had this installed, so that's done. So if you're using the GUI or graphical desktop environment, you can install the desktop package for Open VMware Tools. We can run the command sudo apt install Open VM Tools desktop, and that was already installed as well. Once you're done with that, you can do a reboot of the system, sudo reboot. Now I'm assuming here that you already have set up your user to have privilege permissions, which allows you to run the sudo commands. If not, you'll have to run these commands using the root account or the root user. Okay, so I'm back at the login screen. I'll go ahead and log in. And so the next thing is to verify that VMware Tools is running. We'll use the command sudo systemctl status open VM Tools, and it's active and running. And you can actually run the command without sudo. So let me repeat the command and remove sudo here, and we're getting the same results. The only thing is that you're not gonna see the joiner files because of permissions. And lastly, let's just check the version. This is like I said, this is version 12, so let's do etc os release, and it's version 12 bookworm. So that's it. That's all for this video. That's how you can install VMware Tools on Debian. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.